guys, in this video, we're going to talk about skills. Now, on the daily chart, you can see that we bounced right off this 200-day moving average. So going forward here, we drew a fib retracement, and our first resistance we're going to be looking at is that 23.6 level, which is going to be right around $24. Now, for immediate resistance, you can look in here in the 30-minute chart. It's going to be right around, let's just call it 1915, 1920, somewhere in and around there. That's going to be your immediate resistance level. And support-wise, you're going to be looking right at this 50-day moving average. You can see that we basically, ever since the 31st, just kind of been riding this, even though we kind of deviated and kind of strayed away from it, right? A nice little bounce here. We kind of just came right back down to it. Another bounce here, gap higher, and then just right down to it. And just basically been messing with it all day. So going forward, that's going to be our immediate support wherever that 50-day moving average is on the 30-minute chart. And then on the daily, it's going to be this 200-day moving average. That's your support as well. Why are we long in here? Well, RSI is at 8 and stochastics at 16. So very, very severely oversold in here. And it's good to know that we have a negative beta in here. So we're trading inversely to the market, an inverse correlation to the market. So the market is rising, right? Huge rip today, and then we are pulling back in skills. So we'll see how all of that changes and how that ends up, because it is a negative 13 beta. Obviously, it will change with time, but it's just interesting to note that right now everything is ripping up higher market-wise, and then skills is pulling back. So if we do get a bounce in skills, does that mean that we're going to get a market pullback? Or if we get a market pullback, that means we're going to get a bounce in skills. That's pretty much what it means, but we that could change, because betas are always moving. Nothing's ever just static, right? So we will see what happens. But again, everything in skills is saying, hey, we're going to bounce here no matter what. So keep an eye on that. Just kind of keep that in your back pocket. We have a lot of IV in here. So good options premium, IV rank 33. All your IVs and your options chains, or your options cycles, expiration cycles, that is, are above 100. You have around a $2.40 move by April monthlies. May monthlies are $5, and then the next expiration cycle is all the way out until all the way out into August, which gives you right around a $9 expected move. So good IV in here. You got decent volume. You can pretty much do whatever you want in here. Markets are, I mean, you can it's like trading like water in here. So super liquid. So we'll see what happens. But again, chart is telling us, hey, we're going to bounce off pretty good here of this 200-day moving average. So we'll see what happens. And again, keep an eye on that negative 13 beta in here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description. And we also have a swing trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.